Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Clear Mascara is probably one of the most versatile and underrated beauty products in any makeup bag, offering a subtle enhancement that can define lashes without the drama of traditional black or brown formulas, making it perfect for a natural look, taming flyaways, or even grooming brows for a polished finish that feels effortlessly chic and lightweight. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Introducing the Cabaret Premier Mascara from Vivienne Sabó. Get ready for lashes that are longer, fuller, and perfectly defined. Experience incredible volume and length like never before. This formula is designed to enhance every lash. Enjoy smudge-proof wear throughout your day. It won't flake or clump, ensuring a flawless look from morning to night. Achieve stunning, curled lashes with ease. When the day is done, it washes away effortlessly. Feel good about your beauty choice. It's cruelty-free and crafted with European quality you can trust. The deep black shade provides intense definition for a dramatic, captivating gaze. Make your eyes the star of the show. What we like. This mascara delivers incredible volume and length without any flaking or clumping. It's designed to be smudge-proof and easily washable. If you're looking for dramatic lashes that last all day and are easy to remove, this is the one for you. What people say. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. The formula goes on smoothly and adds noticeable length and definition without clumping or weighing my lashes down. One coat gives a natural, defined look, and a second coat builds nicely without getting spidery. Zero flaking, no chemical noxious smell, and no smudging at all. Amazing length and volume. Number 4. Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. Achieve perfectly sculpted brows with ease. This clear mascara helps define and shape your arches for a polished look. Get beautifully defined lashes that stand out. It separates and enhances each lash for a clean, striking appearance. Infused with soy protein and provitamin B5, it conditions as it styles. Your brows and lashes will feel as good as they look. Use it as a primer to prep your brows and lashes, or as a top coat to set your makeup. It's your all-in-one solution. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with your values. What we like. This clear mascara is perfect for grooming brows and defining lashes with a natural finish. Its conditioning formula nourishes your lashes and brows. If you prefer a natural, polished look and want to condition your lashes simultaneously, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Works just as well as the expensive brands at a fraction of the price. Lasts all day at work and doesn't budge. It shapes my lashes and brows very well. It lasts super long too. Training my brows, and this has the staying power for all day. Give them laminated look. Number 3. USDA Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the secret to naturally longer and fuller lashes. Our premium serum is crafted with pure, organic ingredients to nourish and enhance your natural beauty. Experience the power of nature with our cold-pressed castor oil. It's the all-natural solution you've been searching for to achieve your lash goals. Achieve stunning results with ease. The included mascara tube ensures a simple and precise application every time, fitting perfectly into your beauty routine. Say goodbye to sparse lashes and hello to a thicker, fuller look. This potent treatment conditions and revitalizes, bringing out the best in your natural lashes. Rest assured, our formula is USDA organic certified. You're choosing a high-quality, safe, and effective product for your lash care needs. Achieve the dramatic lash look you desire. It works to promote growth and add volume, giving you the confidence of beautifully enhanced lashes. What we like. This organic castor oil serum is designed to promote thicker and fuller lashes naturally. It comes with a convenient mascara tube for easy application. If you're seeking to enhance lash growth and thickness with a pure, all-natural ingredient, this serum is ideal. What people say. They look healthier and are growing back to their natural length, and I have way less lash loss. I have noticed growth, fullnesses, and less lashes falling out. I've even noticed my lashes appearing longer. This has saved me so much breakage. My lashes have grown longer than the fake lash ATP. The small brush and the other brush make it easy for both brows and lashes. This has also helped thicken my brows. Number 2. Live Fresh Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum. Discover the power of nature for your lashes and brows. Our organic castor oil serum is designed to promote natural growth for a fuller look. Experience the purity of 100% cold-pressed castor oil. It's hexane-free, ensuring you get the most potent benefits for your hair growth needs. This pure serum nourishes your lash and brow follicles right from the root. See a visible difference as it works to enhance your natural beauty. Our convenient set includes a glass bottle and a filled mascara tube for effortless application. Achieve your desired lash and brow length with consistent use. Embrace a natural approach to enhancing your lashes and brows. It's the perfect addition to your beauty routine for achieving healthier, longer-looking hair. What we like? Experience lash and brow growth with this 100% pure, hexane-free castor oil serum. It's cold-pressed for maximum efficacy and includes a filled mascara tube for effortless application. If you're committed to natural ingredients and want to actively encourage lash and brow growth, this product is a great option. What people say. This is a very basic idea, old-fashioned castor oil and mascara brushes. But it really works well. I was amazed at how thick my lashes have gotten. This product works like a charm. As someone who has used so many other eyelash growth serums, I wanted to find one that worked well, but had clean ingredients, and this was it. It makes your eyelashes grow so long without the worry of using harmful ingredients. This is exactly what I was hoping for. The spool applicator is amazing, and the other side is a small brush. It's absolutely perfect for applying to your eyelashes and eyebrows. Number 1. Dime Beauty Volume Mascara. Tired of thin lashes? Get ready for a dramatic transformation. This mascara is designed to give you the fuller, thicker lashes you've always dreamed of. Enjoy beautiful lashes that last. Our smudge-proof formula ensures your look stays flawless from morning to night, without any flaking or clumping. Instantly enhance your eyes with incredible volume and length. This mascara coats each lash, making them appear more voluminous and longer with just one coat. Achieve an intense, deep black finish that makes your eyes pop. It provides a bold look that complements any makeup style. Application is a breeze, even for beginners. Its unique formula glides on smoothly, delivering stunning results every time you use it. Unlock the secret to captivating eyes. This mascara is your new go-to for achieving that perfect lash look effortlessly. What we like? Achieve fuller, thicker lashes with this smudge-proof tubing mascara. The unique tubing formula ensures no flaking or smudging throughout the day. If you desire amplified volume and length with a long-lasting, transfer-proof finish, this mascara is a fantastic pick. What people say. Clean ingredients, goes on smooth, washes off easily and holds without flaking for a long day's wear. It lengthens my lashes and is smooth. With water only it clumped of so effortlessly. Say goodbye to black under eyes and smears. It's great to have an option that you know is both safe and healthy. I have a hooded eyes, and it doesn't smear or smudge under my eyebrows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.